Okay, so this is a tutorial for the Square-2. Okay, so to do this one, you should know how to solve a square one already, so I'm not going to go over most of that stuff. Okay, so when you're doing this one, the first thing you want to do is to get all of the half of the corner pieces to match so that it becomes one whole corner piece, so you can solve it like a square one. And when you're solving this, make sure that the white corner pieces always match with the white corner piece, not with the yellow, like this. So first, here's a white one. Move it up. Now that part matches. Now you need another white one. It's right here. There it matches. Now bring this one down to this one. Here, matches. Yellow one. Right here. Matches. White one. It's right here, so first bring it down. And you can't bring it up yet because it's going to mess up this one, so move this one first, and then move it over and bring it up. Okay, so now you've got all that. And you don't have to worry about these parts, but just make sure that all of them are yellow or white. This. Okay, next, you have to get it into the right shape. To do this, first bring all the side pieces next to each other. Okay, after you've gotten that one, start over here, right across the middle, bring it down, move this one so it's halfway again, same thing on the other side, bring it up, do the same thing again. Now this one has to be between the corners, and up here between the sides, bring it up, and bring it over, and now you should get into the cube. If it's like this, do it once, move it over, bring it again, and now you have the cube. Okay, next part to this tutorial, you have to get all of one color onto one side. So on one side, put all the yellows or the white. First you want to get all the corner pieces over. So let's say that this side's going to be yellow. First, make sure that one of them's turned just a little bit so it always stays in the same shape. Now move this down, move it all the way over, and bring it back up. Now you have all the corners, all the yellow corners, and all the white ones over here. Next, you have to move all the side pieces so they're on the right side. When you have only one on each side, always start with this one on the left side. Move the top one to the left side, and move the bottom one right in front of you. Okay, from here first, you're going to move this one up a little bit, bring it over, move it back, move this one over, bring it back down, and then put it back. From here, bring it over, move it right, down, bring it over, bring the bottom over, up, move the bottom one over, bring it back down, move this over, and do the same thing again, up, over, down, over, up, bring the bottom one over, back down. Now I can do the first one more time, bring it over, up, over, and the bottom one over, bring down. So now you have all of the white on one side and all of the yellow on one side. Okay, for the next part of this tutorial, you want to match the side pieces with the center. So over here, the green and red already matches, and nothing else matches so far. So we're going to try to flip one piece from these two first. So when you're doing this one, make sure that these two are on the right and the back, and put the opposite one in front so that it cuts right through the corner, and keep the one on the top the same. From here, we're going to flip it around, then move this over 3 pieces. Now bring back up, move this one over a little bit, move this one over the opposite way, bring back down, now bring it over again, and then turn it back around, and now it's back into the right shape. Okay, so now check again. The green and red are still corrected, and now you've corrected the green and the orange. So now you have to move these 2 pieces. So from here, we want to flip these 2 so that these 2 can stay next to each other. To do that, bring down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, and down. Okay, from here, bring it up, around, up, and around, and back up, so the center stays in the right shape. Now, the green and red and the green and orange are corrected, so now we have to flip these 2. Make sure you keep them on the back and the right, and put the one in the front so that it cuts right through the corner. From here, again, bring it over 180, move this one over, bring it up, move it over 1, move this one over 1, bring it down, bring it over, bring this one over, bring it back over. Okay, now they should all be corrected now. So the blue and the orange is right, blue and the red's right, green and red works, and the green orange works. So now these are all right. And just so you don't keep track, so you don't lose track, you want to flip these 2 again. So bring down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, and down. And since this is incorrect, bring it up, bring it over, up, over, and back up. So now all the corners are corrected for the white side. Now we're going to do the same thing for the yellow side. And on this side, only the green and the red are corrected. So first we're going to flip these 2. So move it so that these 2 are on the back and the right again. Put the one in the front so that it cuts through the corner. Do the same thing. Down, over, up, move it a little bit, bring it over, move it over, and put it back up. Okay, so the green and the red is still correct. Now the orange and green is correct. So now you want to flip these 2, which are still incorrect. So put that one on the right and this one in the back, and do the same thing again. Down, over, up, over, bring it down, bring it over, and bring it back up. Now these should all be in the right spot. So the blue and orange work, red and blue work, and the green and orange work, and the green and red work. So now you have to flip these 2. When doing this one, instead of flipping it from here, so you flip just these 2, you want to, since this one's already corrected, you want to start cutting through these. So 1, down, over, up, over, up, bring it over, down, over, up, over, and down. Now there's still going to be 2 of them that are corrected. Bring this one over and do the same thing one more time. Down, over, up, over, down, over, up, over, back down. So now all the corner pieces are corrected. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to put the side piece in the correct spot. For this one, always start with one of them directly over the line, and the other one, move it over so that it doesn't lose its shape. From here, you're going to move this one over here and move this one over here. From here, bring it down, move it over, and bring it back up so the blue is in the right spot. Then turn this slightly, and turn this one back slightly so it stays in the same shape. Bring it back down, now this part's correct. Bring this one over, and bring it back over so it keeps its shape. And bring it up, and now the side's corrected. Now for this side, you have to do it again. So start with here so that the red goes here, and the orange goes here. For this one, you want to start with this on the other side, so you can take it out of the way first. And since you moved this one, you don't have to move this one yet. Move it down, move it over, move it up, now the red's in. Bring it over, down, match it, bring it over, and up. Now I'm going to do that one more time with the blue and orange. Down, over, up, over. Bring the bottom one over so it keeps its shape. Down, over, and up. Now yourself the Square-2. Thank you for watching.